Number 1, identify the flaw in the way that Maria set up her experiment. A, she did not take pictures. B, she did not wait long enough. C, she did not measure the temperature. D, she did not mix the substances well enough. Number 2, which of these describes Maria making an observation? A, Maria measured the compounds. B, Maria let the test tube sit for 1 minute. C, Maria wrote her results in her lab notebook. D, Maria saw that bubbles formed on the metal in mixture C. Number 3, what is the best summary of this passage? A, early scientists studied the way substances behaved when they were combined. They developed rules to identify when a chemical change occurred. Maria used those rules to create an experimental procedure and test 6 mixtures. B, Maria was curious about how several compounds acted when mixed. She put them into test tubes and swirled them together. She could tell if a chemical change had occurred by watching for signs such as bubbles or light. C, Maria mixed compounds together to test for chemical change. One mixture produced light, 2 mixtures had bubbles, 2 mixtures had changes of color, and 1 mixture did not change. D, a person can tell if a chemical change has occurred because there will be a product of light, gas, or a precipitate, or there will be a change in color or temperature. 4, using Maria's results, determine how many mixtures produced a new substance. A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 6. 5. Which is the best definition of empirical in paragraph 2? A, can be seen or measured. B, from a currently used procedure. C, collected in an old reliable method. Or D, related to whether a chemical change has occurred. 6. Maria made a mistake in the analysis of her results. Which of the following conclusions is incorrect? A, a chemical change occurred in mixture A because there was a production of light. B, a chemical change occurred in mixture D because there was a color change. C, a chemical change occurred in mixture E because there was the production of a precipitate. Or D, a chemical change occurred in mixture F because there was a production of gas.